Hello, it's Louis. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to show you how to clean a pool. So, this is my pool. I often swim in it. I think it's something feet. I think it's about maybe 18 feet. Lengthwise, 18 feet, I'm pretty sure, something like that. So, yeah, it's a good sized pool. But, one thing is that the filter, maintenance on the pool, you've got to clean the filter. So, I'm going to show you, so the water comes in here, and it goes through the filter, and it goes out there clean. So I'm going to show you a filter cleaning pool hack. So you want to undo this first. This is how to clean the filter, easy way. So you want to take that off first, and that allows some water to escape, so that when you open it, all the water doesn't escape. So now what you want to do is you want to take this out. By the way, you want to have the filter running. Make sure it's running, because when it's running, that means, as you can see, it's sucking all the water down. And if you turn it off, then it will overflow lots. So then another thing that you want to do, you want to make sure this is there so the water can escape, and you want to make sure the filter's on. So you want to put this on top, and so that the ring doesn't come off, you want to make sure that the thing's off on the top. So, you know what you want to do? I'm going to grab this, and I'll put it on, and then you just want to close it. So I think it turns this way. Open, so it turns this way. So you just want to close it like that. Get this, because that allows some pressure to escape. If you don't put this on, if you don't take this out, then the pressure will build up, which will mean that the ring will come off and it'll be really hard to put this top back on. So you want to make sure that it's off, and that will help. The second, now what you want to do is, because there's no filter in it, you want to unplug it, because it's now no water can leak. Make sure this is closed and everything. No water can leak. You don't have to tighten it tight though, really tight. So now you want to clean this filter. So a helpful thing to do. Oh my goodness, there's a spider. Oh my goodness, I fell. So a helpful thing to do, you want to have a lot of pressure on the tap. Don't worry, this is vivid on my nails. It's not like my nails haven't been injured or something like that. It sort of looks like it, because the vivid's wearing away. So yeah, you want to you need quite a bit of pressure for it. So what I like to do is I like to put on the seat, and then I just like to spray it with a hose on high pressure. So you also want to wash the inside of it. Put some water in there, hold the bottom of it so it sort of fills up a bit inside and it drains. So after you clean the filter, it's very best to use a hose, because you can use high pressure on the hose. So let me just clean it. Okay, so I've cleaned it. Make sure you turn off the tap. Well, so it's your waste water and your waste money. So after the filter's clean, as you can see, it looks pretty good. It's cleaned. What you want to do now is you want to put the filter back in. So to put the filter back in, what you want to do is you want to first plug in the pump, because if you don't plug the pump in, then when you undo this, it will all overflow, because what it's doing is the water's being fed into here, right, by gravity pressure, so it's all going to come out the top. And if you don't have the pump on, then what the pump does is, instead of it all coming out the top, it sucks the water down and back into the pool. So you want to make sure the pump's on. I'll show you a demonstration of if the pump's off. This is what you don't want to do. So the pump's on, right? With the pump off, it looks like this. No pump on. See? So you want to have the pump on, because with the pump on, it uses less water. Like it wastes less water pours out. So this is just the easy way. This is just the life hack way. The actual way is to put bungs in there, so you put bungs in all three, and then attach these, and then do it. But this is just the easiest way to clean the filter in, you know. And look at that. So you've got the new filter in here. Get the, oh yeah, if there's air trapped inside this pump, which there shouldn't be, you undo this and it lets the air out. That's what it's for, by the way. So look, just screw this in, and yeah, not too tight. So I just like to make sure it's not. I just like to screw it in and give it a twist back, and just give it a twist until, you know, just around one. Sure it's not too tight. And yeah, now enjoy all the fresh water coming out of your pump. That's the type of pump it is. So if you want to know, it's a bestway pull, and that is what pump it is. So yeah, now enjoy all the fresh water coming out of there. If you want, this helps, you can move the pump like this, because if it's blasting water, then it will sort of clean the bottom. So yeah, that is very useful. I like to give it a bit of a push just to mix the water around a bit, and then yeah, just leave it on and let it filter the water. It says not to says turn off the tap when you're going swimming. I normally leave it on because when you're swimming you're stirring up the water, so when the water's stirred up and there's all like grass and stuff, if there's grass and stuff in your pool, then it will go into the filter and get filtered out. So that's quite helpful if you're going swimming. It tells you not to. I always leave it on though, because when you're swimming you're stirring up the water, which is making the water like have bits of like leaves and stuff go in it. If there's a pool cover when it rains, sometimes some leaves can get in. So yeah, that just helps to filter it more. Not recommending it though. Not recommending it though, because it says do not do that. But yeah, that's just what I do personally. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. And the subscribing is the most important part. And goodbye.